Welcome to Brennan Enterprises, your source for everything replacement windows and doors. In this video, we'll be covering the Brennan Signature Series single hung window. We'll be covering style, hardware, material, and color. So let's jump right in and start with style. This is a single hung window. The top piece of glass is fixed. The bottom sash is operable to allow for ventilation. We'll show you that in action. We unlock the window and it operates vertically. Next, we'll talk about hardware. This window comes with a standard cam lock, so you rotate it to both lock and unlock the window. And we'll go ahead and lock the window. Another thing to point out is that this window does have a tilt sash feature, so you'll want to raise the window a couple inches, and then you can tilt the window in, so you can clean the exterior surface of the glass from inside your home. And then to close it, you just pop it back in place and it automatically locks back in place. So next we'll cover material. The windows are made out of a composite vinyl material. Vinyl is a good option because it's affordable, it's durable, bugs don't eat it, and it doesn't rot. So it makes a great exterior building product. Lastly, we'll be covering color. The windows come in a white or tan interior and exterior finish. It's going to be that same color both on the inside and outside of your home. And so there you go. That about covers the Brennan Signature single hung window. If you have any other questions, you can find this product on our website. Quick links are in the description. Thank you for watching.